In a world not so different from our own, there's a place where colors come to life. Welcome to Palettville, where every shade and hue paints the town with joy and vibrancy. And in the heart of this colorful world, we find a young artist named Lena, whose paintbrush is about to change everything.
Just a little more blue here and perfect.
Lena dear, I want you to have this special paintbrush. Remember, true beauty comes from harmony, not separation.
Oh, Grandma, it's beautiful. But what makes it so special?
As Lena marvels at her new gift, let's take a stroll through Palettville. Oh my, what's this? It seems our primary colors are having a bit of a disagreement.
I'm clearly the most important color. Without me, there'd be no fire, no passion.
Don't be ridiculous. I represent the sky and the sea. I'm obviously the most crucial.
You're both wrong. I'm the color of the sun.
Hey, little one, are you okay? You look a bit faded.
Eep.
Don't worry, little purple. I'll help you shine again.
Unbeknownst to Lena, her act of kindness has awakened the color-eating shadow, a force that thrives on discord.
Oh no, look at the town. It's turning gray.
It's your fault!
No, it's yours.
Stop blaming me.
As more of Palettville fades to gray, Lena realizes she must act. With her magical paintbrush in hand and determination in her heart, she sets out to bring harmony back to Palettville. But will she be able to unite the colors before it's too late? As our colorful tale continues, we find Lena and her new purple friend ready to face the quarreling colors.
Hey, we need to talk. The town is fading.
Not now.
We're busy.
I'm the most important.
Quick, we have to do something.
With a flick of her magical brush, Lena creates a temporary barrier of swirling colors.
And let's play a game. Red, you start by painting something.
Easy. A magnificent fire truck.
Well, I suppose I could add a blue sky.
Ooh, I'll add a bright sun.
Your sun is too big.
Your truck is polluting my sky.
Your sky is too dark.
And this isn't working. There has to be another way. Everyone, look out.
Help, I'm fading.
Yellow. We were wrong. We need your help, Lena.
Then let's work together. It's our only chance. It's working. Keep going.
We're fading.
We're fading.
We're fading.
Oh no, our primary colors are in trouble. Can Lena and her magical paintbrush save them in time?
We can't hold on. Help us, Lena.
We can't hold on. Help us, Lena.
We can't hold on. Help us, Lena.
I won't let you fade away. No, why isn't it working? I'm so sorry, everyone. I thought I could save you. That spark, it's just like Grandma's words. That's it, it's not the brush, it's us. We need to work together. Everyone, listen. We can beat the shadow, but only if we combine our strengths. Mix, blend, create new colors together.
We're making green.
We're making green.
And we're purple.
And we're purple.
We've become orange.
We've become orange.
That's it, keep going. We did it, Palettville is saved.
Lena, you were right. We're at our best when we work together.
Remember, every color is special, but together we create true magic.
And so, our colorful tale comes to an end. Lena smiles as she watches the now harmonious Palettville, her paintbrush a symbol of the unity she helped create. Who knew that a little mixing could lead to such a masterpiece? In Palettville, and perhaps in our world too, it's our differences that make life truly colorful.